Hey everyone! So tonight after we got home from our Christmas parade, my dad said there was a package in the mailbox for me. It's from one of our fans, so I'm just gonna start opening it. There's a letter here, but
let me take this.
kind of tape. Yeah, isn't it?
Anna's gonna help you.
I'll bring it right back.
Thank you. Just a second, over here.
Cut it a little more.
Alright. It's a 2-speed hand blender.
That is awesome.
That is pretty cool. Here.
Oh, neat.
Here's the letter that came with it. That may help understand why you're getting them a little better.
Says Miss Kaitlyn, I'm sending these 2 different whisks to you because I was watching you have a hard time whisking the egg batter for the French toast casserole. I hope these will make it easier for you. I always buy for an angel off the angel tree, so this year you're my chosen angel. Keep up the cooking. I love watching them. One of your fans. Merry Christmas to all.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
that is going to be so neat. I think I've seen this. You do it like this, and it like twists in the bowl. It'll be fun.
Dear fun.
That's awesome.
I really like it.
Thank y'all so much.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.